How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be working on putting the window. We're going to at least try to get one window in the shipping container before it rains. And we're going to be putting these 14 by 21, just small windows. And if you guys watch my channel all the time, you'll know I made some security bars for these too, because we want the shipping container to be secure. So these little windows, I picked them up, and I need to get some holes drilled around them because we're going to use a self-tapping screw. And now the security bars, I'm going to show you how we're going to put them on to keep somebody from unscrewing the security bars. Now these windows, we're just using self-tappers right now because eventually we got to pull these windows back out and re-put them in again. So, but that's going to be later down the road. But right now we just need to get them in there, get some air circulating, and get a little bit of light inside there. So let me show you what I'm doing now. So what I'm doing now is I'm just pre-drilling some holes around there, and I'm not exactly sure because, of course, I told you guys a million times, I'm not a carpenter. But I'm just going to do so many screws around here, and I'm just putting them in the middle of this little track here. And I'm going to put 3 on each side, 3 on the top, 3 on both sides. I think that'll be enough. Hopefully that's enough. And I'm just using the eyeball to guess where to put them. Okay, so you can see we put one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one in the middle, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. I mean, we probably could have went in between these with another one, but we can do that later if we want to. So what we're going to do now is Julie's going to go ahead and start putting my...
This is window putty.
Yeah, it's just a...
Sticky.
It's for campers and stuff.
Yeah, it's like to seal it up.
To make sure it don't leak around it.
Yeah.
So she's going to go ahead and get ready to put that on there.
Tell me something to cut this with.
Well, I think we got a knife in one of these boxes.
Okay.
One of them bags. There's another tool bag. I'll go get you.
Yeah, all you do is just take it and press it where you want it in place here. And then cut it off to the length you need it. And it's like a sealer, so water doesn't get in. Or if you don't have this, you can use caulk. We already had some of this laying around. Yeah, just cut it off to the length you need. Just like that. And don't pull the paper off until you're ready to install the window because it is kind of sticky.
All right, while Julie's out there putting the caulk on the window, we're going to get started on cutting this hole through the shipping container. And as you can see, I've already measured it out and got it marked where I want it to go. Now, I'm not so sure the self-tappers are going to go through this. I may end up having to go get some bolts. I don't know. We'll see. But we're going to go ahead and use a 4-inch grinder and we're going to get this cut out. Now you can see it's pretty dark back here. I'm hoping this is going to give us a lot more light. Okay, it's going to get awful loud in here. I got the generator outside up there. It's going to make some noise. And this grinder is going to for sure make some noise. I don't have any ear protection, but I would suggest you probably should have ear protection. So we're going to get everything fired up and get to cutting. Like I said, eye protection, ear protection would be a good idea right here at this time because this thing is sitting here and everything in here is loud. So sorry about that, but we're going to get to cutting.
right, as you can see, I left the paper on the putty so we can try the window, make sure we don't have to do any adjustments. We're gonna try it from the inside. And Kevin left the room so we can adjust it up or down or sideways, whichever way we need to move it. And I think it's gonna work fine. Fits perfect.
Now we got to take it outside and put it on. Huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, I brightened it up already in here.
Oh yeah, we put 2 of them in here. We're going to be able to do things in
Yeah, it was, like a dark dungeon. So, yeah, fit perfect. Little wiggle room.
And I actually left that window up pretty high from the floor.
Yeah.
You know, because outside it's going to be a little harder for someone to get up in there. Hopefully.
Do you need the milk crate out there?
Probably. You can see how much brighter it is inside the container now.
Yeah,
this is going to make it nice because I'm going to put a little workshop in the back of this thing, back here in the back. We got to do some hand tools and stuff. We can do the small wrenches and stuff back here with some workbenches and grinders and stuff. This is going to work out well. Oh, it's stuck. It's there to stay. I couldn't hear you.
I said, the sun looks like it's setting out. Oh, like butter.
Okay, it's kind of hard for me to show you guys exactly what we're doing here, but I'm pre-drilling these because the container is actually 1/8 inch thick. And those self-tappers, yeah, they don't want to go through 1/8 inch steel. So I'm pre-drilling them with an 1/8 inch drill bit, and we'll go ahead and get them screwed in. And all I got to do is pre-drill. And I'll do them all at once. I'm just showing you how I'm doing one here.
What do you need?
Screw. And then we just put our screw in. And we're trying not to over tighten them. But like I said, eventually we're going to have to take these back out because we're going to put siding on the outside of the shipping container. Not siding, but metal.
Yeah.
So it'll be actually inside of the garage. Now, as you can see, this container is pushed in a little bit here, but I think that aluminum will smash up against there. I think that's good. That's not bad. Like I said, we could have probably put another screw in between each one of these, but I think it'll be okay. I have to take these back out again anyhow. I'm hoping that we can get them out. That putty is so sticky.
I know.
I don't know if you can get the window out even if I didn't have any screws in it.
Yeah, it'd be hard.
Okay.
Okay, so now what? You want to do the bars?
Yep. All right, we're going to get ready to put our little security bars on. I got the 2 bottom ones marked. We'll go ahead and put the bolts in them, and then I'll go ahead and drill through the top ones and get them put in. One more to drill. All right, so what we're doing now is the bolts that come through the wall for the bars, we're going to double nut them. That way, if you try to take it off, it's a little bit loose. It's just snugged up. And I double nutted it, so when you try to take it off, it's not going to unscrew. It's just going to keep spinning inside. So hopefully this will help out. I'll be honest with you, if you try to get through this, you're going to make a ton of noise. There's no doubt. And I don't think you want to mess with Rick. I'll be honest with you. So we're just basically tightening these up on the inside. They're just a little bit snug and double nutted. Now, what I could do is I could mash the threads a little bit, but the thing is I won't be able to get them off. So that's how I put the bars on from the inside. All right, we have both of our windows in now, and look how much brighter it is in the back of the shipping container. I'm liking this a lot. We got that one, just got that one put in, and this looks good. It looks real good. It's been a productive day for sure. Okay, there's the last one in, and it does look nice. I think it turned out really well. I think they'll be really good. I don't think we'll have any problems with that. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.